What is good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to your boy Rafi Collects. I hope everyone is having a blessed and healthy day today. In today's video, we are going to talk about the Yeezy, the upcoming Yeezy 350 V2 in the Israfil colorway that is set to release this Saturday for $220. Before I actually get into the video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button if you guys are new. I do have an early look. Make sure you guys stay tuned at the end of the video because I'm going to give you guys a little snippet and a preview of the upcoming ADIDAS Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Asriel colorway. I always pronounce it wrong, but like I said, make sure you guys stay tuned at the end of the video so I can show you guys some little reviews, a little snippet of the sneaker for the new upcoming Yeezy 350 V2 in the Israfil colorway. Is set to release, like I said, this Saturday on August 22nd. They are coming out with a full family sizing, coming out with adult sizes $220, and I believe preschool is $160, and infant sizes $140. I always push this on every single one of my videos, of my how to cop videos when it comes to Yeezys. Make sure you guys download the ADIDAS app. I always get questions of how do I enter the raffle for the ADIDAS shoes on the ADIDAS app. Make sure you guys download it first. That is the first thing you got to do. And normally when it comes to ADIDAS and Yeezy, I really like how they always do it a week prior. They normally put that raffle out on Sunday and you have till Saturday morning on release date to enter the raffle. So there should be no excuse why you did not enter the raffle. So if you guys have not enter the raffle on the ADIDAS app, make sure you guys download the ADIDAS app and make sure you guys enter the raffle. Another option obviously is going to be Yeezy Supply. Yeezy Supply has obviously a timer on their website right now once these sneakers drop. Normally I like to be on the website about an hour and a half before drop because you know you're normally on the waiting room. It really doesn't matter, but once you're in the waiting room, you pretty much get selected at random times. This sneaker is not going to be as a general release how the Zyons were. These are going to be a little bit more limited. Make sure you guys hit up sneakernews.com because it will show you all the sneaker boutiques and other stores that are going to get this sneaker. So make sure you guys, if you guys are wanting this sneaker really bad, make sure you guys put in that work. Let me know in the comment section below how you guys feel about this sneaker. I honestly really dig this sneaker. This is definitely a great summer shoe. And let's go ahead and get into this sneaker right here, the Israfil, the Israel, I don't know what they called, Asriel, Israel. The names are getting me mixed up with the Israfils and the Asriels, but this sneaker is, like I said guys, this is fire. Make sure you guys hit the bell button below to be notified when my videos do go up because I will have a full review and on feet of this sneaker. I'm not sure if the Israfils are going to have this, but I know starting after either this release or the next release, which is this, they are going to debut these infinity laces. I think that's what everyone is calling it, where you pretty much don't need to really tie your shoe. They do come with extra laces if you guys do not want these laces right here. You guys let me know if you guys are excited for this. I am really excited for this, so make sure you guys press the bell button, like I said, to be notified when this review goes up because this review is gonna be a banger. Like I said, man, this colorway is fire. I honestly dig these over the Israfils, but like I said, man, Yeezy, do not sleep on Yeezys, guys. I've been collecting Yeezys for a couple years now, and I really dig a lot of these colorways that they are coming out. So like I said, man, let me know all your guys' thoughts and opinions, how you guys are feeling about this sneaker, and are you guys going after the Israfils this Saturday? You guys let me know in the comment section below right now. That is pretty much it for the video. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are on the road to 4,000 subscribers, so I appreciate all the love and support you guys been giving me. You guys been killing it on just liking all my videos and commenting on the comment section, so make sure you guys keep that same energy and comment down below. I appreciate all the love and support. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and make sure you guys wash your hands and make sure you guys wear a mask out there. This is Rafi Collects. Peace.